I'm speechless. I am absolutely speechless. I'm speechless, guys. Like, I'm speechless. I don't want to take these eyelashes off at all. I wish I can just go and sleep with these lashes. Like, I don't want to take it off. It's so beautiful.
Dos caritas está Cristo, me sume permite.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. So in today's video, I'm going to quickly tell you guys about this young lady. She's a YouTuber and she contacted me. She was like, is it okay if I send one of my collection like eyelashes so you can see if you like it and give your honest opinion? So I was like, yeah, why not? And from the title of this video, you guys know her name already, but I'm going to talk about it after I apply the lashes and see if I like it. I'm going to go ahead and apply the lashes and show you guys how it is. So if you're interested, let's jump right into the video. So as you guys know by the title already, that's her name. Her name is Modela Slim. So this is the package. It came in this package, so I'm going to go ahead and open it.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you.
This is how it looks, and that's the name of her website, MS Beauty Collection. If you're a beginner in applying lashes, you can follow the instruction here. First of all, I like the packaging. The packaging looks really nice. It's really beautiful. I love it. I like the gold detailed here. It's really beautiful. So when you open it, it looks like this. So I guess this is her card. It says, dear customer, thank you for shopping with us. I hope you enjoy. So this is her card. It looks like this. It says thank you, and it has her phone number, her website, her YouTube, Instagram, and all that. So every information you need is just here. Wow, so this is how the lashes look.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave.
This is absolutely beautiful. So here it says lashes make everything. This is so beautiful. It's so gorgeous indeed. So I'm going to go ahead and try it on. Like, the lashes is so beautiful. Like, this is my perfect choice. I really love it. So I'm going to go ahead and use this glue. This is my glue.
The seasons come and go like thoughts of you. Like a wave returns to the sea, into the blue. They change, but in a cycle that I can't lose.
I'm just pressing it with my lashes.
Through.
Oh, wow. Guys, like, this is by far the best eyelashes I've ever worn. Like, this is by far the best. Like seriously, you guys know, like, you can go through my videos and see, like, this is by far the best. Like, the quality is, oh my goodness, like, the quality is everything. If you don't have this type of lashes in your collection. So let me tell you guys a little story. So she asked me to go to her website and pick any lashes that I want. I went there, like, they are all amazing, like they are all beautiful. Like, she has eyelashes for church, she has for party, she has for like every occasion. I just asked her to, like, she should just send me the one she called take me to church baby lashes. So I guess that's the one she sent me. Like, this is by far the best eyelashes I've ever worn. I know in future one I might wear something, you know, better than this, but for now this is by far best. I'm going to put her link, I'm going to put her website. Her website is www.msbeautycollection. You really need to go there. After this one, like, I am going to buy this with my money. Like, this is, I know this one she sent it to me, but when this one spoil or something, and the good thing is that this is reusable, like you can reuse this for I don't know how long, but it can last as long as you know you keep it. Like, if you keep it well, it's going to look. But guys, look, this is very thick. Like, it doesn't feel like you're wearing anything, like it feels like it's your lashes. This is so beautiful. This is so beautiful, guys. This is really beautiful. She has eyelashes for church, she has for party, she has for the one she called bonjour lashes. She has take me to church lashes. She has cloud lashes. She has extra attention lashes. So she has even the one that is longer than this. She has sister lashes. You really need to get this. Like, if you don't have this kind of lashes in your collection, like, guys, no, listen, I'm not even exaggerating. Like, this is the by far the best eyelashes I've ever worn. Like, this is by far the best. You know, I'm so excited. Her name is Modela Slim. If you're not following her on Instagram, please go and follow her. She has a YouTube channel as well. She is so generous to send me these lashes. I'm like, girl, like, babe, this is by far the best, and thank you so much for sending me this. The good thing is, as I've said, you can reuse this. I'm so happy. This is so beautiful. Like, your eyelashes can just transform your beauty. As you can see, when I applied makeup, like, it looks as if something was missing, and you can see now that I applied lashes. Even I buy eyelashes online at the shop. This is by far the best eyelashes I've ever worn. Like, this is by far the best. Am I going to buy this? Yes, like, yes, I am going to buy this more and more and more. And the good thing is that she's so generous. She gave you guys coupon code 30% discount code, including free shipping anywhere you are in the world. She's going to send it to you and you will get 30%. What you need to do is just the coupon code is just Amaka, 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 and I'm going to put the coupon code. I'm going to pin it up so you guys can see it. You need to rush and get these lashes. Like, she has like beauty collection as well, but now I'm just talking about lashes because this is the one I've seen, and I believe, like they say, when you see, you believe. Like, this is by, like, if you guys leave me here, I'm going to keep talking because I genuinely love these lashes. Like, it's so beautiful. Like, this is the kind of lashes I like to wear. Like, you can wear this to church, you can wear this to party, you can wear this to like every occasion, and all eyes will just be on you. Like people will keep asking you, where did you buy these lashes and all that. Like, this is by far the best. So her name is Modela Slim. If you're not, please, you guys should go to her channel. She has a YouTube channel. Please go and subscribe to her channel if you have not, and they'll tell her I sent you, and you have to go and use Amaka. That's the coupon code Amaka. You use AMAKA, and this coupon code expires, I don't know how long, but this is limited offer. Like, you have to go now. Like, if you don't have this kind of lashes in your collection, like, you are missing. I'm so glad I got it, and I'm going to buy this again. Like, I am so grateful. So she found me worthy to send me these lashes. Girl, like, babe, I'm so grateful, and I'm going to buy these lashes. I know when I go out, people ask me, where did you buy these lashes? And I'm going to tell them. She's so humble, she's so hardworking. They, like, if you see her, if you meet her, you're going to like her. Like, guys, please go and subscribe to her channel if you have not, and follow her on Instagram if you're not following her, and please go to her website. I'll put the link in my description box, and you get 30% discount when you order and use Amaka, AMAKA, and you get your discount. I am so happy to, this is so beautiful. Like, this is like, I'm going to take this and put it back, because this has become my new baby. Like, this is so beautiful. I absolutely love this lashes. Like, it's so gorgeous. Like, I don't need anyone to tell me that this lashes suits me so well. Like, I know. Like, I know. So guys, this is my personal opinion. You guys can comment down below. Let me know what you think about the lashes. The quality is like, it's so beautiful, and it's so thick. It's not like eyelashes that tomorrow it will just spoil. No. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you like it, and if you do, please give this video a huge thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you have not. Subscribe to her channel on YouTube, and follow her on Instagram if you're not following her, and go to her website. I'm going to put the link for the last time. You get 30% discount, and with free shipping. Like, or anywhere you are in the world, you get free shipping plus 30% discount. Like, this is so amazing, and the offer, is limited. It's not going to last forever. If you hurry, you'll get it. And please use Amaka. That's the coupon code for you to get 30%. So thank you all so much for watching. Until I see you all in my next video. Oh, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling the vibe. I'm feeling the vibe. Feeling the vibe. Feeling the vibe. I'm feeling the vibe. I'm feeling the vibe. Feeling the. So I am feeling the vibe. Like, I am feeling it. I'm feeling these lashes. Like, if you go there, you're going to fall in love with the website. Girl, you are doing amazing. Well done, and my good Lord will continue to see you through, and you are going to excel. You are going to succeed. Whatever your heart desire is, whatever you have in mind, and open this website, and let me tell you, God is going to give it to you. He's going to make you to achieve it in Jesus' name. Amen. So well done, and keep sewing higher and higher and higher, and just go and sleep with it. So thank you all so much for watching. Until I see you all in my next video, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye. So guys, I've just removed it. So what I did, I just used the clean cotton bud, and then dab it with water, and I just use it to get the glue off it. Just now, I mean, I wear good lashes, but this is like one of the best. Like, it's the best I've ever worn. Hopefully in future I can wear something better than this. So yeah, that's it. When I put it, it looks like this. So I'm going to keep it.
Dos caritas está Cristo, Me su me permite